Hey guys, it's Nathan. We're famous Nate 708, and today we are in the woods doing a Boy Scout camp. I'm gonna be recording the experience. We're setting up right now, and we set ours up right here, a nice open field. So I'll check back in later. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's Nathan, our famous Nate 708, and today we're back again with the camping update. So we're just playing like football right now. Nothing really happened. We went over to our camp that we went to in the summer. That's about it. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, it's Nathan, our famous Nate 708, and we're back with the camping update. It's 4:46 right now. It's 4:46 right now. We went on a big, huge hike. My legs hurt so badly. So we're just here. Chase, can you be filmed? Whatever. Chase is here, and so is Potato Dude. Yep.
Check out my new video.
Chase, when did you get here? 20 minutes ago?
Something like that.
Okay, so Chase got here like 20 minutes ago. We're still waiting on one more, Evan. I just flicked a spider off our tent. So, yep. I'll update you in a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna be doing a whittling time lapse. Okay. See you then. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's Nathan, our famous Timelapse. Once again, as you saw, that was the timeline. So this is the finished product. It's time lapse. This is the finished product. I got just a little area for my hands. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. I might do another time lapse for something. Hey guys, it's Nathan, our famous Timelapse.
What is that?
Back again. So it's like it's 7:38 right now.
I opened up.
It's 7:38. So it's 7:38. It's pretty late. Actually, it's not late at all. It's only 7:38.
Hi.
Okay, we'll be back in a little bit. Bye. Also, I look like
John Cena. Trash.
Bye. Nathan, our famous Timelapse, and that's gonna be the end of the video. I got home a while ago. I just didn't feel like really having to. I couldn't make any other videos because we left right in the morning. But hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. I'm famous Timelapse. Goodbye.